and dancing just flex. Real flag boss, you know what just flex.
Just flex, tell them say prayer works.
Just flex, keep you posted all for your cruise, you know what just flex with subscribers, much respect for the support, Number one, me say you just flex.
Give me a chance to play with some more. Roots and culture, you come
just
for
Flex TV, come for explore.
You got to know to step it in the Gideon. You got to know to step it in the Babylon. You got to know to step it in the Gideon. Because the beat is on. Them burn down who play some blood up the streets. Babylon the front to get the youth that say. So many get the youth they have mistake. Babylon the front, burning down the place and blooding up the street.
Yeah, peeps. So blessing. Yeah, just a forward him. Come for share a little story I seen I start today, you know. Yeah, with a security guard goes by the name John Brown. A 35-year-old security guard to peeps. Yes. And you know what me now? He's in shock. Because he found out that 3 of his kids is not his out of 4. You hear that, peeps? Out of 4 kids, 3 is not his. Right, peeps? So, Boomski now, this brother you know, Judge Jassy B, a 35-year-old goes by the name John Brown. Meet this girl named Sasha and thing, you see me? So, at the age 18, Sasha 17 and thing, you know? Yeah, them met one another and man start fell in love and woman fell in love and you don't know the meds where gone to and you don't know, say right now, Sasha go come out of the blues and go tell John Brown, say, you know, say right now, we have become a parent, we are going to have a baby. And just to be peeps. John Brown says the happiest day of his life. The man say right now, if you give him $1 million, him not feel so good. You see me? So John Brown him stays so now Boomski now, you see me? Feel good, you know. Try everything. So at the time now he must say right now, one job him there, so him stays so, you hear me? My family have to live in fine style. So the man stays so Boomski now and go look 2 more jobs, you know. Pan him job, you know, make it 3 jobs, you know, because the man say right now, my family have to live clean. Living the dream. You see what me I say, peeps? So the man say when him say so now, Boomski, everything around good, you know? Yeah, till baby now, go stay so now, ready for born, you know? Till baby go born. Sasha just call him after baby born and I make him know, say, yo, John, what's your last name? You see me? And John I say, yo, Sasha, you don't know the meds man are Brown, you see me? So right, that's how now we must say, yes! I feel good, because here we go on now, my first youth and my straight, you see me, because Sasha call me and ask me, say right now, you hear me? Last name, Jassy B. Man, them say so now, baby born, everything around good, you know? Till all him get to catch up and walk on now, the man says like, say, you know? She go take down sick and thing, you know? And one time him stay so now, Boomski now, and, you know, they went to the clinic. But it happened that say right now, them go left a medical card and thing. You see me? So it's like say right now, you hear me? Them link to the mother and make the mother know say, yo, go for the medical card and make it reach to you. You see me? Just see me. Mother says so now Boomski go over there, look and see some bag of papers and medical card and all this. And can't see no last name, say Brown. So mommy stays so now go tell Brown, say, yo, John, you hear me when I go on right now? You know, say Sasha take you for big idiot, because right now you hear me. Me go over there, no, me not see a card with your last name on it, brother. I want to go on with you on the picnic. You see me? Just see me. John Brown say, yo, the way a female trick now, you know, him stays so now Boomski say, yo, him have to find Sasha, you know. Man say, when him stays so Boomski now go circle Sasha, you know, and I say, yo, Sasha, I want to go on, brother. Yo, you make me spend up my money, you make me go look 2 more jobs for my job, brother, just to finance you, and I get to find out right now at the wrong pit, me have it. I want to go on. Just see me. Sasha ball to him, you know, living here, I want to make John know, say, yo, John, you hear me? You know, say, our ex-boyfriend, you see me? Yeah, Sasha cry and make John know, say, our ex-boyfriend, force her. Forgive the baby. In surname. So me I look upon that now, you know, me I say, just be a girl a cruel if you tell all the man that for a start. But anyway, when you're in love, you're in love. So John say, yo, we are him in love. So at the time it never matter, so him they just want to say right now him have our back. So it never matter. The man said 3 years after again. Sasha jump up. Yo, John, I'm pregnant. John say, I'm doubt that time there. Because John say, hey, all of my community me there, me here, be a man around gossip. I say, yo, watch it, you. You need a vest. Because the jacket then work. You see me? And the man say, yo, him not follow them because him know a true. Because the man say, him go catch a red and did round there. You see me? Yeah, man, the man say one evening after him come home from work in a film uniform. You see me? Come in, come see film door lock. So the man say him take a Boomski walk go up on the door and thing. You see me? Bam, man knock on door. Man get to realize that Sasha stays so Boomski come out on him. You see me? I say, yo, right now, yeah, me John, me need to painkiller. You see me? And John, I make you know, so right now, you hear me? You see me just coming on my uniform. Wait until me take off my uniform, then me go get your pill, me baby. John say when him see so no Boomski go in a room, take off boot, take off socks, you know, draw down pants, take off shirt, and say right now, you hear me? Me can't leave them in the room just so. Me go throw them in the closet, because dirty clothes them and lock back the look door. Because so the closet bill, you know? Man say when him comes up, man pull him closet door, you know? Look him, throw the clothes and look him good, him realize, say, you look good, him say, a black man. Man say, man, tab off and same time after say, yeah man, duck, you see me? Just see me. Man say, him shoot out time mouse, you know? Man say, him get mad, you know? I say, yo, Sasha, what go on? Oh, them rat it, brother, man, man want kill me, brother. Over my place, and I'm here. You see me? So the man say, anyway, you hear me? Him know that. Jane, the man say, upon the 3rd child now. Upon that occasion now, brother. The man say, him and her never together. For look while. You know? So the man say, she just call him again. John, me pregnant. You see me? So the man say, hey, no go so brother, because right now me ain't nothing. So right now me if you get you pregnant. And at the same time, me know you're involved with at least 2 man. So, sorry. So John say, hey, I don't mind one, you know, I don't finance that, you know. So the man says, Boomski and hold out pan her, you know. 9 months come now, she ring back the man phone. Yo, John, here, baby, you know. So John say, alright then. So like, oh, my baby. Just see me, just sad. To me love you. Me just go just do the thing, because when you know dead, me miss you. You see me? So John say, so now, Boomski now, you know. Buy your baby clothes, you know. Baby bath again, brand new, everything brand new and thing. You see me? Man say when him see son the baby now reach, you know, couple of years old now, him see son say, yeah, man bring him baby. Go to clinic, go check up. Man say notice when he bring the baby go to clinic, go check up. He realize, name and call, you know. But through him not hear for him last name, he can't move. So the man say, a man him see just walk up to him, you know. And I look at him and I make him know, say, yo, my G. I hear that and him just call, man. So the man look to himself and the man say, hey, what are no brown? Man say, yo, him not say to him, you know, when one say he crack the bag and look on the passport and him say, yo, I not feel name, you know. Man say him get mad because that's the real shocker now, you know. The man say, hey, how is Sasha do to man head? So the man say, you do him mad, you know, and go home and go find her. Same time when I make you know, say, yo, Sasha, how we are deal with? Sasha make the man know, say, right now, you hear me? She just a cry again upon my make him know, say, you know, say, I threaten my ex-boy, the man when me involved in it, you know, say, I threaten. Me say, yo, right now, I have to go put him last name. The man say, I say, man, drop down, you know, brother. The man say, when him say, so Boomski and tell him, say, yeah, man, you know, give up on him, I'm going to take a look at paternity test. Man say, I say I'm going to take the look paternity test and it proves to say, oh, you hear me? I am the real father. You see me? Yes, peeps. Because what? The man have a what? The man raised a 17-year-old, 13-year-old, 9-year-old and 5-year-old. Right? And the 3rd one proved to be him as the right father. So the last one, 5-year-old, is not his. You see what I say? Just be. And I see me going out 2019, you know. Polygenics Consulting, right? Yeah, look a company where half a DNA test in Jamaica, you know. And Jassy B found that in what? 70% of the test, brother. Men who you think is the father is not the father, you know, peeps. So right now, if I tell you the truth, you know, this a ball me a wait to, you know, cause 18 years out of relationship, this a man you baffle with this a woman you know, brother. And you prove, say, right now, you hear me, it's serious, cause you are 4 pick me, you know. And I one out of a lot alone of the man one, and I third one. You hear that? The third one. So, peeps, wanna just bless up on yourself, you know. Nah, keep up no more time, you know. Hope you enjoy the little piece of story, you see me? So you say all the money me love mine jacket. You better go look some vest or some button up shirt, you hear that? Cause it not work. That area. So peeps, I keep up no more time, you know. Just enjoy the rest of the week, you know. We out, you hear that? Big up.
And them for no side, Ahmeds, representing for Just Blex. Just Blex tell them say prayer works. When the heathens are trying for you, once you die you hurt, the most I alert. If I them alone, them alone. Yeah man, Just Blex, you don't know your success getting them upset, you know what I mean?